My name is Amira Shavkatova. I am from Edward R. Murrow High School, and my project is about the synergistic effect of lycopene on Allium sativum to enhance its anti-cancer activity. Cancer is a genetic disease in which body cells grow rapidly and uncontrollably. There are no cures for cancer, but there are treatments. One of these treatments is known as chemotherapy, which uses strong chemicals to directly attack these rapidly growing cells. Although it is very effective, there are many side effects such as vomiting, pain, and hair loss. So in this project, I use Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is yeast, and it is a fungi which mimics cancer cells. So I used it as a substitute for cancer cells. I also use Allium sativum, which is garlic, and it has antioxidant properties that prevents these rapidly growing cells. Similarly, lycopene is a pigment that is found in red fruits and plants that gives them their red pigmentation. In this case, I use lycopene from tomatoes, which also has antioxidant properties similarly to the garlic. I hypothesized that if garlic is grown with the lycopene solution, then it will inhibit the growth of the yeast more compared to the garlic that was grown with just water. For this project, I used 8 pots of garlic. 4 of them were given a lycopene solution, and the other ones were given just water. After 3 weeks of treating them, I harvested them and separated them into different petri dishes, and then I let them dry for 3 days. After the 3 days, I used a mortar and pestle to crush them and turn them to extracts. After that, I made a YED agar solution, which I mixed, and I poured them into 25 petri dishes. And then I let them cool off for about a day. After that, I made active dry yeast, and I coated them on the petri dishes using a cotton swab. Lastly, I dipped 5mm discs into each of the extracts, and I put them on the petri dishes. My results showed that the garlic that was grown with the lycopene did show enhanced anti-cancer activity compared to the control groups. But the garlic leaves that were grown with the lycopene solution showed to inhibit more of the yeast than any other group. And on the other side, you can see the petri dishes with the inhibition zones for each of the groups. So this project found that garlic that is grown with the lycopene will inhibit more Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and the leaves inhibit more than any other group. For future experiments, I would like to use more extracts so that I could have a vast data range and see what would work best. I would like to acknowledge Ms. Sullivan for allowing me to use the greenhouse in Edward R. Murrow, and I would like to thank Edward R. Murrow for allowing me to do this project, and my teacher, Ms. Chan, and my mentor for guiding me through this project. And thank you.